See that sun? That's what's slowing the progress on my soffits. I can't see to put them up there. The sun is so bright. I can't see to connect them. Hi, I'm Kathy. Most of you know I'm building a pallet cob cabin out here. So I put together a few snippets the last couple days. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to those. You know I always appreciate it when you stop by. Okay, here we go. So once the sun reaches that point, I come in and work on these, getting these vents in some more. So then by the time I finish that, it's starting to get hot. But I can get one or two up every morning, so I'll get her done. This is a chipper. I bought it. It said it would chip a 1-inch branch. Well, it won't chip a 1-inch mesquite branch. They are hardwood and they don't play. But I found out I could run my compost through here and it made it real nice, you know, where it would just be all broke up instead of big pieces like of, you know, the zinnias and things with tall stalks. It just chops it into a real nice compostable mix. Anyhow, it'll also be good to chop my straw because I need fine straw for the earth and plaster. And I'm real curious about that, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop some straw and see how it works. So that kind of breaks it down for you so it's not so long. And then I'm going to put it through a 1/4-inch strainer, sift, like I have on made for my soil. I'm going to make another one just like that, only 1/4 inch, because I'll need that to sift my soil to get it finer, get the pebbles out, and to sift my straw. So these are my bottles that I cut. This was the first one I did, and I really didn't know how long I should make it. But I think it's too long. It comes out, I don't know, about 2 inches. So I'm going to need to trowel another layer over this to make it smooth. And these I'll cob into here. I'm gonna put 3 on each one. Of course, there'll be a layer of cob under here, you know, and I'll kind of stagger them, not just green, but green and white, or green and blue, or green and blue and white, something. I have to make the bottles first, but I think this would be probably the best length. The shorter one. This one's actually, it's about, I don't know, 1.5 inches longer. But I think that this is the one. And I just want to do this. I think they'll be really close. I mean, nothing about this house is going to be absolutely perfect. It's mud. But, see, here's the thing. When I did this, you saw me. I smoothed it out so nice. Well, then the water shrinks and you get these little cracks, you know, and imperfections, and part of it sinks in and part of it stays out. So I'm going to work on these, but also I'm going to work on my mix for my earth and plaster, which will be 2 parts sifted sand, 2 parts sifted my soil over there. If I need more clay for it, I can get it down at the front of the property. I have real good red clay. But I'm going to try it first with my soil I've been using. Boy, this is hard as a rock. It is just in there. So, yeah, I'm going to put it on here and try to see if I can smooth this out. I'm just curious how it will look after I start putting the earth and plaster on it. And then I've read more than one that says cover it with linseed oil, and that will stabilize the plaster and waterproof it. So I may be going with that. Here's a little detail I keep forgetting. I was gonna cob this post. I even put the chicken wire on it, or began to. I'm gonna have to come out and take that off because I'm gonna put a screen porch back here, and I'll need to attach the framework right there. So that's why I didn't cob right up to there. I gotta get a 2x4 on there or something. I'm sure I'll put something to start my framework for my porch. But I've been coming out. I don't always film it because I only have that little bit of time in the morning. But I've started to fill in over these windows. That was a little detail I had to finish. I just put one more layer. I'll have to go up there again because that part's thick. So that's what I worked on this morning. I also evened up that little section just because you can already see it's going to have a couple cracks in there. Just so it was even. So that's what I did this morning. And then I'm thinking I'll wait on the ledger board and finish my soffits because I want to get those out of my life. I finished my framework for this window, but I decided I won't put it up there until I get the soffits and the ledger board up because I don't want to break that window. So that's just a snippet of what I've been up to around here. It's hot. I also hung some shade cloth over my garden because it was this sun has been really hard on it. Seems like it's worse than last year to me. So anyway, I put a shade cloth up there real quick. There's my dog down there. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here so much, and I try to put these videos about 15 minutes because they take a long time to upload. I have another one uploading right now, but I'm going to go ahead and put this one on because it literally takes a day or two. I don't think my internet speed is very fast is why. I might upgrade that someday. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you're having the most beautiful days, and I'll see you soon.